Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how can you analyze your competitor if you're running a local business from US, UK or any of the areas across the globe. And if you are serving client as a local as expert, this both of you you need to watch this video to analyze your competitor. So I will use the Claude AI account for this, and we're gonna use this skill to analyze the competitor. You'll get a lot of skill in the GitHub, but I found this is one of the skill is most efficient as compared to any of the skill in terms of competitor analysis. So if you find anything uh, more efficient than this, you can use it, no problem there. But my intention is to show you how can you use Claude skill to get the competitor analysis done for your business. So uh, I'll share the link so that you can download for you. So all you need to do, just download the skill from here and install here. So I'm going to show you how can you install. You should go in skill, and as I have already installed this one, I'm not going to show you again. It's pretty simple. Create skill, upload a skill, and then you just need to upload the skill from here, and it will be uploaded there. As you can see, you just as simple as that. And then you should go any of the chat. So I'll call the chat and select the skill. So, competitor, yeah, competitor analysis. This is the one actually I'm looking for. And I'll go any of the business from there. Solar installer London, and I'll select the business. This is the business I've selected because I feel they're struggling to get the fine tuning on their business. So I'll put the link, and then I'll just uh, quotation here based on the location UK, sorry, London, UK. So Claude, this scale can understand it's based on a local business and local area. So this is all of the things I need to put here, and here you go. So we'll need to wait until it's done. So it's working on it, reading the computer analysis skill and all of the things in build here. So in the meantime, we can review the skill here. How actually skill created by someone actually. This is pretty much effective and so cool skill actually I found. So there is the instruction and all of this, all sort of the things, how it works and how it gonna give us the more precise result. So we need to, you can read all of the things here, all of the stuff here to better understand the process of this skill, and you can also read all of the stuff here, as you can see, doc file, research, computer analysis, and there is some of the skill you find here in this link: content gap analysis, keyword research, SERP analysis. There's a lot of you can try out each of the things to get the better result. And I'll tell you that you don't need to blindly trust all of this skill or any of this skill. You just need to check all of this skill, fact check and cross check everything. Let's say you'll get like 100 plus skill just for the computer analysis, so you need to use 5 to 6 skill to get the uh, perfect one. So in this video, the advantage of you that I have selected the skill for you, you just need to use this and you'll get the result here. So it's working on it in the backend, it's giving the result. Oh my god. So until it's done, finally done, we'll wait and then we're gonna review it. So it's literally done here, so let me show you. So as you can see that this is the overview: Excel energy computer analysis, the they just count the Trustpilot reviews, accreditation details here, 10 plus, and the location page. So these are the location page exist in the website, as you can see. So they count it pretty cleverly. And as you can see, direct competitors, they found them one of the most important thing and one of the most tedious stuff for us. It's make things so easier. As you can see, this actually find for us direct competitor commercial solar APC similar scale. So founded 2020. Oh my god, it's giving us the all of this stuff literally. And MCS certified, better AB bundling, heavy blog outputs. They're doing the blog heavily. Multi-city office, so they're working on multi-location. That what it means. But we'll check the fact. All you need to do, you always need to check the fact. Always. And Ebo Energy, that is the website, founded 2007. Oh my god, this is one of the most oldest business in this industry. Geo Green Power, this is they founded in 2010, and 174 transparent review here. Agricultural solar strength, high profile. Perfect Sense Energy, perfectsenergy.com. They are found probably they did not add the founded year in their website, so this scale could not fit it. And in their content competitors, okay, maybe they're publishing some blog, or they're not directly competitor, but partially they're competitor. So this is the sixth competitor, maybe. And keyword ranking and visibility gaps here. This is the most important stuff. You can sense it. If you are doing local SEO service for your client, or if you're a business owner, how much important it is. Commercial solar install London, commercial solar panels UK, commercial battery storage system, solar panels for factories, agricultural solar system, high value gap keywords. So competitor rank Excel does not. Okay, so these of the keyword actually your competitor get rank, but you are not. um, and keyword Excel energy likely to rank for, so it's fetched all of the keyword actually you are going to rank for, and some of the keyword it's give you that your competitor actually already rank. So estimated domain authority versus key competitors, Evo Energy, 82, and this is the Excel Energy. Oh my God, 28 just. So you can understand where should actually work on. So it's giving you all of the data at a glance, not the scattered way. You can find it through the manual process and using some of the tools like Uber Suggest, SEMrush, and the typical tools actually use. But after launching the Claude AI and using the skill, you could do that easily. Just a simple 2-3 minutes installing a simple Claude AI skill. But you need to find the proper skill for you. This is the challenging part. So the hard work I've done for you, I'll send you the link in the description so you can use it. And content strategy comparison, technical SEO announcement. I'm not going to analysis or review all of the things. You can easily understand by just reading. And if you have someone actually doing SEO for you, you can send all of this stuff and review both together and work on it. Competitive intelligence, what to copy and what to exploit. So weakness to exploit. So as you can see, it's how precisely it's spotted all of the things here for you. Prioritize action plan. Oh my god, I can't even imagine, and I can't expect. I was expecting it will work good, but not this level. It's beyond my expectation. So prioritize action plan, short term, 1 to 3 month. This kind of action plan timeline, it's not real. It's just estimation. It's gonna give you, but you can do all of this stuff in just 1 month. I feel because publish monthly comparison guides, or this is the blog actually you can publish on your site. Let's say Excel Energy versus Evo Energy, best commercial solar installer London 2025. Oh my god, you it's suggesting that uh, you just add the topic or add the competitor name in your blog, best commercial solar installer London. This is the another skill you can use to get suggestion how what kind of blog you should publish in terms of beating the competitor. So this is another discussion here. So the full breakdown. So if you can, if you give the further instruction to in this chat that you need to get a customized or comprehensive note all of the things it's giving you, Claude AI skill or this chat will give you in a doc note. Okay, so this is all you need to do. Just spotted all of or noted all of the things in a document, or you can ask Claude a skill to give you a comprehensive note. So I'm not gonna use it further because there is some uh, to can expense there. So I'm pretty sure that you'll do that yourself. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I'm pretty sure you will use Claude AI skill, Claude AI, more smarter than you previous, and you will get the competitor analysis done is more efficient way than before. So thank you so much. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section or you can DM me as well. Have a great day. Wishing you the best for your business.